gather your girlfriends because today I'm gonna show you how to make 4 of the most perfect girls' night cocktails. Each one of the drinks we're making today is inspired by a Disney princess. Let's get into it. I feel like I should be doing the Disney Channel sign here. These new Pizzazz edible glitter mixers were definitely the inspiration behind today's cocktails. All you gotta do is shake them up, add your favorite alcohol, and let the magic happen. They're stunning. If you wanna add some pizzazz to your next girls' night, use the link in our description. I don't think I could have found a more perfect glass for this cocktail. Let's make this Little Mermaid inspired green apple Splash-Tini. We're gonna add some citron vodka and the Appletini Pizzazz. Shake that up, strain it into your serving glass, and we're garnishing this one with a slice of starfruit. Perfection. We use the red Cosmo Pizzazz to make a poisoned apple Cosmo. This one is for the Snow White lovers. In a shaker, we're gonna add some apple vodka and the red Cosmo Pizzazz, the fairest of them all. We're gonna strain it into a coupe. This one has a caramel and black sprinkled rim and garnished with some apple slices. Oh yeah. The yellow Lemoncello Pizzazz was screaming Beauty and the Beast. This one is giving strawberry lemon drop and it is perfection. Now let's make the Belle inspired Enchanted lemon drop. We're gonna shake up a strawberry vodka with some of the Lemoncello Pizzazz. Strain it into a coupe and garnish with a dried rose petal. Just like Beauty and the Beast, the lemon drop is a tale as old as time. You cannot go wrong with a strawberry lemon drop. Delicious. If you can't tell that this shooter was inspired by Cinderella, then you've been living under a rock. The cutest midnight slipper sippers, let's make it. We're going in with some Blue Envy Pizzazz. This is a tropical blend of orange and pineapple, some coconut rum. We're gonna shake that up with some ice, strain it into our shot glass, top it with some whipped cream, the cutest pumpkin skewer, and some sprinkles that look like pearls. This one is kind of giving pina colada, but with a little extra pizzazz.